Okay, now let's come to a problem. Find dy by dx if this x equal to in terms of t, y equal to in terms of t. So this is a parametric form because t is a parameter, so this is called parametric form. Okay, it is completely dependent on the variable t. So this is called t is a parameter. So this form is known as parametric form. So this is also known as parametric form. So I am taking two problems. One is this, another one is this. So first we do this problem. So you have to find out this is in parametric form. This form is a parametric form. So I will do the derivative dx by dt is, it is how much? Twice a is constant. A is constant. So ddt of t square will be twice t. Again dy by dt will be how much? A into 4t cube. AT4. So A into 4t cube. Okay, middle you give comma. So dx by dt will be how much? Dx by dt will be 4at and dy by dt will be 4at cube. So since this is a parametric form, so what is the formula? Dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. This is the formula for the parametric form. Dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. What is dy by dt? 4at cube. What is dx by dt? 4at. Okay, simply derivative. I think all of you know this simple. 8t to the power 4 derivative is 4t cube. Okay, so 4a cancel, tt cancel, you will be left out with t square. So dy by dx is dependent on t because x and y are dependent on t. So dy by dx you got as t square. Okay, so this is number 1. Clear? We did the derivative. A is constant. A is constant. T is a parameter. T was a parameter in this part. Parametric form. T was a parameter. So I did the derivative. Okay. A is constant. A is constant. T is parameter. You can in this one x equal to 0 where T is. A is constant where T is the parameter. Okay. Where T is the parameter. A is constant. It will be given in your question. If the question comes, it will be given in your question which is parameter, A or T. Here T is the parameter. It will be given in the question. Okay. In this question, which is parameter? Where? In this question, which is parameter? Theta is parameter. Theta is parameter. The rest all of them are constant. Is it clear? So this part x equal to cos theta minus cos twice theta, y equal to sin theta minus sin twice theta. X is dependent on theta and y is dependent on theta. Theta is the parameter. Okay. So do the dx by dt. Dx by dt will be how much? Cos theta derivative is minus sin theta and derivative of cos twice theta will be minus minus plus plus twice sin twice theta. Because cos derivative is sin and again chain rule, so 2 will come out. Okay. Then what about this one? Comma dy by d theta. Dy by, because theta is parameter, oh sorry, it will be theta. This time it will be theta, it will be not t because x is dependent on theta, y is dependent on theta. Okay, it will be given in your question which is parameter. Here theta is parameter. In this question t is parameter. That means rest are all constant. Whatever parameter is been given, it will be given in your question and the rest you will think as constant. Here a is constant and t is parameter. Here 2, 3 they are constant, theta is parameter. So we will do with respect to theta because theta was parameter. Dx by theta minus sin theta plus 2 sin twice theta. Again dy by theta will be how much? So cos theta dy by d theta will be cos theta minus sin twice the derivative is twice cos theta. I think all of you know the derivatives of these basic things. Okay. So therefore we got dx by theta, we got dy by theta. So therefore dy by dt. Now they are dependent on what? Theta and theta. So you will write the formula as not dt. You will write dy by d theta and this one you will write dx by d theta. Why? Because this time not t, this is theta now. So here also the formula will come as theta. If it is t is parameter, so I have written dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Now in this case theta is the parameter, so the question will be dy by d theta. Here also dx by d theta. Okay. So what is dy by d theta? Cos theta minus 2 cos twice theta, and dx by theta is minus sin theta plus 2 sin twice theta. Now can you break this one more? Cos theta minus 2 cos theta? You cannot break it. Can you break it? You can break if there is the formula cos theta minus cos twice theta. Cos c minus cos d, you could have break it. You could have break it. But this time it is 2 cos twice theta. You cannot break this now. This will be your final answer. If it is like this, cos c minus cos d, you have to apply the formula cos c minus cos d. Apply it and get the result. But you cannot apply the formula because this time the cos theta minus 2 cos theta. Cos theta minus 2 cos theta. Direct you put the answer. Because it is being given here 2. So you cannot, cos c minus cos d is not there. Cos c minus 2 cos d is not there. It is directly cos theta minus 2 cos theta divided by minus sin theta plus 2. This is your answer. This will be your answer. So you got dy by dx, you got dy by, sorry, again it is not t, it is dy by dx. Sorry, please note dy by dx. dy by dx is dy by d theta, dx by d theta. So you got the in terms of answer theta. Please correct it, it is not t, it's x. Is it clear or not? So you got dy by dx, here also you got dy by dx. Is it clear? So next come to two more questions. Find dy by dx if x is this and another question is this one. One question is this, another question is this one. So again dy by dx parametric form because x is completely dependent on t. Where t is in this question it has been given. I told you where t is parameter. It will be given in your question. Here also where theta is parameter. Don't worry, it will be given. The parameter will be given in your question. A are constants. Okay, then find out this dy by dx because parametric form. This form is called parametric form. These are types of parametric forms. So dx by dt, a is constant, dt of cos t is minus sin t, dt of cos t is minus sin t, comma log 10t by 2. First chain rule. Okay, so first you have to complete the derivative of log. What is the derivative of log? Minus sin t plus, what is the derivative of log? 1 by 10t by 2. 1 by log derivative is 1 by x. Log x, what is the derivative of log x? 1 by x. Again you have to do the derivative of 10t by 2. What is the derivative of 10t by 2? 10t by 2. Finish the derivative of 10. Chain rule. Finish the derivative of 10. 10 derivative is sec square t by 2. Again chain rule. ddt of t by 2. ddt of 10. First you have to finish the outside one. Next 10. Next t by 2. So 1 by 10t by 2. dd of 10t by 2 will be sec square t by 2. Again dd of t by 2. So 1/2 will come. This is the chain rule. This is the chain rule technique. So comma. And again about y equal to a sin t. So dy by dt will be a cos t. Okay. So dx by dt, do some calculation. A minus sin t plus this will be 1 by sin t by 2, 1 by sin t by 2 divided by cos t by 2 into 1 by cos square t by 2 into half. So this cos t by 2 will go on in the numerator. This cos t by 2 will go on numerator, comma, and this dy by dt will be a cos t. Okay, so dx by dt will be a minus sin t. So cos 1 plus 1 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2 and dy by dt will be a cos t. Okay, so dx by dt will be, okay, we will proceed this problem. After some time, we move it to this way. So here you put it, you go on this one. So put dx by dt is how much? A minus sin t plus 1 by 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. 1 by 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. It is how much? 1 by, this is the formula is sin t. 1 by sin t. Okay, I am taking this formula. A into minus sin t plus 1 by sin t. Comma. dy by dt will be A cos t. Is it clear? So move on. I have continued from here to here. Then dx by dt, this will be A 1 minus sin square t divided by sin t, comma, dy by dt will be A cos t. So dx by dt will be A, this will be cos square t and this is sin t, and dy by dt will be A cos t. Clear? Yes or no? It's clear? We have continued like this. The one more problem which I gave 4, there is no space, so I dropped the question number 4. I have taken only doing the question number 3. The question 4 is dropped out. I am doing question number 3 because there is no space in the board. Okay, so 3 is moving on. So therefore, dy by dx will be how much? Dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So what is dy by dt? A cos t, and this will be A cos square t sin t. So cos t cancel, A cancel. So we are left out in 1 by cos t sin t. Okay. So this more thing, this one can be written as 2 by 2 sin t cos t. I can write or not? That means we can use it 2 by sin twice t. 2 by sin twice t. So we can proceed up to here also. We can proceed also up to here. That's up to you. Okay. So sorry, this will be by sin t, and this sin t will go outside or above sin t. So this will be tan t. Okay. This will be tan t. Please type it.